Howdy, Business 499002 students. I was just chatting with a couple of you a moment ago. And look, my precious... Ow! My precious kitty. You think I can pass as a Bond villain, guys, by holding this cat? What do you think? Here you go, Chicha. I love you. Alright, so quick, gang. Let's do this wrap-up before yours truly has to go pass out. Okay. As I've mentioned, no, you do not have class tomorrow. Alright? Finish the Peregrine exam. Go on to announcements, and all you got to do is click the Peregrine assessment, and the CalU student registration will tell you exactly how to do it. Do not, I repeat, do not send me a copy of your finished certificate. I'll get it automatically. I'm good to go. So that's number one. Number two, Candy Bus simulation grade. Okay. I could probably use some medical marijuana right now, but quite frankly, I'm a state employee, so nix ixnay on that, my friends. And simulation game, so we're not going to play it. How to be fair? Simple. I'll give you full points for the assignment for everybody, so it's basically a wash for everyone. Alright. It's too bad. I was really looking forward to playing that game again with you guys. I think students were really enjoying it. Alright, finally. Company profile. Okay, for those of you who might not recall, click here. What is the required content for your final paper? Read through the instructions. Alright, this is what you got down here. Shows you how to organize the paper. History, background of the business, stock symbol, mission, vision, values, the board, need pestle, porters, SWOT, Blue Ocean, etc., etc. Alright? Your paper must be double-spaced, must be at least 10, but no more than 15 pages. Honestly, it'll probably come in around like 13, 14. Trust me on this one, guys. Once you start writing, it will not be hard to fill this. All right, now, going back on this, here we go. Paper should no more than 15 pages, 12 font, Times New Roman, double-spaced. Be sure to include a cover page, please. I will take points off if this is not there. With your name on it, my name on it, our class's name, this, alright? And your company name, of course. Feel free to use a little artwork, too. That's always gives you a point or two in your favor right there. Due no later than Saturday, December 7, 2019 at 11:30 p.m. into Dropbox. Yes, we are celebrating Pearl Harbor this way, or not celebrating, I should say commemorating. See, my cat corrects me on that. Alright, so no late submissions will be accepted. Please, people, have mercy on your professor here. I am ill. Alright, also, speaking of which, do us a favor. As part of the ACBSP process, we really do want to get as many student evaluations in for faculty as possible. So you guys should have gotten a link about judging yours truly. Please go ahead and complete it. Any and all input is most appreciated. Alright, guys, thank you and good luck. You got any questions or concerns, please email me. I was really pleased at how the semester went, guys. I really enjoyed working with all of you. I have confidence that if you do a decent job on this company profile, all of you are going to end up on a very nice grade at the end of the semester. It was a lot of fun. It just sucks that I end up getting sick here at the end of it. But hey, that's life. All right, guys, be well, be safe.